the time come and you have to send your Oriental rug to be clean because it smells so bad that you cannot take it anymore. Before making any decision where to send the Oriental rug, go on YouTube and watch many Oriental rug cleaners, how they do it. Watch the video and ask yourself, is this the way how I want my Oriental rug to be clean? As a wall-to-wall carpet with a scrubber or huge tab, they dump the Oriental rug inside and wash it like my underwear. Oriental rug should be treated in a special way. Let me show you a cleaning process that makes sense. Cleaning process that's wash your Oriental rug through the pee-pee, come on the rug from the top and go through the rug all the way down. So let's clean it the same way, through. And PetPeePee using the Dead Sea minerals. Then it's odor-free, clean, healthy environment, and it will never deposit any unpleasant smell into your rug. Take a look how PetPeePee clean Oriental rug, and please visit Google and see the review. What the customers nationwide said about PetPeePee.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Thank you for watching PetPeePee videos.